Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel BBnana Cooks. Today we are making lamb and vermicell and this is how I make it. For the ingredients, you're going to need some vermicell, lamb, onions, oil, mixed vegetables, mustard, salt and pepper. First, add the oil in the pot. Make sure the oil is hot before you add the lamb. Cook it covered until golden brown at a medium-high heat, and meanwhile we can start working on the vermicell. Add the oil in. The reason you're adding the oil is going to help the vermicell from not sticking with each other. Then you make sure you mix it very well. Then add it into the rice cooker for about 10 minutes just to warm it up a little bit. Here we have some hot water. Add few drops of yellow food coloring, but the yellow food coloring is very optional, and a little bit of salt. Remove the vermicell out of the rice cooker. Mix it in the hot water. Remove it immediately because the vermicell cooks pretty fast, and add it back into the rice cooker and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the vermicell are done, take it out of the rice cooker and add some mixed vegetable. Here we are going to work on the onion mixture. First you're going to add some garlic, onions, and black pepper. Mash everything together until it has this smooth texture. At this time, the lamb has a nice looking brown color. Add the onion mixture in. Let everything cook at a medium-high heat for about 10 minutes. And as the final ingredient, add some Dijon mustard. So here is the finished dish. You can serve it along with some bread or just keep it simple like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss my next episode, Yassa, which is a rice and chicken skewer dish. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more great recipes. Bye!